she floats like smoke through rainy haze, and thinks about the silver days